I'm Chris Taplin. I'm Chief Customer Officer at SureCloud. So I've worked in a variety of companies, some household names like Adobe and SAP and Oracle. I've also worked in some privately owned companies and small startups as well. Mainly had roles, always with SaaS, but mainly in roles that are in the go-to-market space, sales, technical side of things, and customer success. Well, SureCloud has a great opportunity to be leaders in their field. There's a single focus around the topic of GRC and all areas there, and so therefore with a team of people that are dedicated to one area, one facet, one persona, one domain, with a product that is very strong and with a lot of very happy customers. It's a perfect place to come and do customer success. You certainly want to go somewhere where there are a lot of support calls. So customer success at SureCloud is a partnership, really. I know it can be a trite word to use, but it means that we do care, we do come along with some opinions and domain expertise. We want to help our clients be successful, not just deliver everything they think would be a good idea, but help them understand how user adoption is really important, how usability is crucial, how future readiness is important as well. So we like to think of this as a partnership where we can mutually come together to work out the best solution for our customers. And customer success also is a long-term journey, and it is where we are from our first sort of interactions and overlap during the sales process. We then really, it's white glove treatment all the way from the implementation, the design phases and the testing and making sure the client is very happy to go live, to then handing over to our support teams who build their relationships up during the implementation phase, but then take that on. We have a customer success team which is really around looking at the sort of quarterly business reviews, looking at the health checks, making sure that the solution that they're using, the customers are using, is still fit for future and fit for now. It's a very big changing environment. Legislation, compliance, and those things are constantly changing. So we want to be with the customer on the journey and not just be there at the start and at some sort of renewal. Now, the end goal is always to get a customer not only happy with delivering the value to them that they invested in, but also referenceable, to be honest. We want to make them champions of ours, evangelizing SureCloud to their peers, because it's quite a tight-knit community. Yeah, the health check is usually scheduled periodically, so you are just expecting to make sure that you have regular visits, but there are also metrics that might trigger us to want to get involved. And the major part of a health check is to understand the usage patterns, any areas where they are not using what they originally thought, any areas for change. It's also a chance for us to talk about the roadmap, because SureCloud product is constantly evolving, and it might be that the client has not noticed something that would be important to them. So we're looking at their patterns, usage patterns, and we're looking at their future usage patterns to help them get the most out of their products and be a happy customer. The product feedback, I mean, the customers are crucial. They're not the only route through to our product development. We do have some excellent product managers who are understanding and monitoring the whole of the market, but certainly our customers have really built our product over the last 12 years. They are the inspiration, their issues and struggles, something that we've tried to help them with and come up with solutions. So it's a constant feedback loop, but we do also have a way for requests to be generated, to be tracked, and to show when a request is turned up inside the product. We also have great opportunities to get together face to face or remotely with other of our customers, so that they can ping ideas off each other to bring those back. And product management are very, very willing to listen and learn, and are very involved with our existing customers. They're not in some ivory tower or anything. I mean, you can't not talk about AI in these situations. I think the intelligent use of AI to help our customers, and not in just the most obvious areas, and it is the thing that I'm most excited about. I think we've got some great innovations in those areas, and I think that we can understand what information is going into the large language models, and we can make sure that the advice that the AI would do would be useful, pertinent, compliant, and definitely a differentiator would be crucial. Well, Chief Customer Officer has been around as a role for a while, but it's not the oldest, most established like a CFO would be. And with my experience of working at especially places like Adobe, where the roles there really shaped the whole business, that if not a strategy that's devoid of what customers' inputs are, it's crucial that we're thinking about value and trying to understand how a customer derives value, and therefore being able to feed that back into things like product development, so that we can be the representative of the customer within SureCloud or within any organization. So Chief Customer Officer, part of the executive leadership team, driving a business forward, but always with customer at their heart, and it's not just a numbers game.
Your business assured.